Hi, my name's Roger, and this evening we're going to talk about the Aspect Collage Peel and Stick tiles. Now these are an interlocking tile. They actually cover 1 square foot each, but you have to actually cut off half of the tiles and put them in the opposing blank spot. Now they're designed to have multiple ones interlocked together. So, price. We found these at Home Depot. They were $14.97. Way cheaper than doing tile and way easier. So now this is our backsplash. That is 24 inches by 42 inches. The thing that I like about it, well, I liked quite a few things about it, but each tile here is 3 inches tall, 6 inches wide. You want to figure out where the center of it is. It's 2 tiles because this is 24 inches wide. You want to know how far something is down, such as we had to put our molly in 3 inches below the top of the mirror. One of these tiles is 3 inches. So if we want the top of the mirror to be here, we put the molly there. Very, very easy. Adhesive. Wow, does this thing stick? We actually got started crooked on the bottom and it tore. We couldn't get it off. We ended up actually tearing the paper off of the sheetrock, taking the backsplash off. All we did then was use some sealant, reseal the sheetrock, and started over, and the tile stuck to that as well, very well. Just we're careful to get it straight the first time. I recommend them. I look forward to years of trouble-free service, and after my initial boo-boo, very easily installation. Oh, cutting them. So, I said that they're interlocking. You have to cut off this ear, put it over on the far end. Some of the YouTube channels suggested that you use a utility knife to cut that. You just score it with a straight edge and keep scoring it, but it actually develops a real sharp, high ridge, which you have to sand off. I didn't like it. We went to a jigsaw with a very fine tooth blade. We put down some blue tape along here, so we cut right down the edge of it. It worked very well. It worked quickly. Pretty smooth cuts. So that would be my recommendation on how to cut those ears off. But once again, I'm going to come back to the adhesive is very strong. Make sure that you put it on straight and level the first time, or you'll be wasting money. Thanks for your time. Hope that helps.